Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to another thrilling episode of Facts and Tips Automobiles, where we delve into the captivating world of cars. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves because Alfa Romeo just dropped a bombshell. They've unveiled the 2024 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale, and let me tell you, it's been worth the wait. Now here's the thing, Alfa Romeo hasn't crafted a car like this since 1969. Can you believe that? It's like a blast from the past, and it's the first Alfa Romeo sports car since the 8C Competizione. These Italians know how to make an entrance. The 33 Stradale is not just another supercar, it's a powerful and lightweight beast that pays tribute to Alfa Romeo's rich history while stepping boldly into the future. It's like they've taken the best of the past and blended it with cutting-edge technology. Under the hood, you've got options. This red rocket can be powered by a twin-turbo V6 that cranks out over 620 horsepower. Or you can go all in on the electric side with a tri-motor battery electric powertrain, giving you a jaw-dropping 750 horsepower and an impressive 280 miles of electric driving range. It's like having the best of both worlds, old-school muscle and modern electric power. And guess what? If you want to get your hands on one of these machines, I've got some bad news. They're all sold out. Yep, that's right, all of them. But hey, it's not surprising because each 33 Stradale is a unique work of art. They're going to be handcrafted with a level of customization that's off the charts. IT's like they're creating a masterpiece for each lucky owner. And they're calling it a return to fiorisserie, which basically means custom built in Italian. Everything just sounds better in Italian, right? Now when it comes to the inside, they're offering two trim choices, Alfa Corse and Tributo. The Alfa Corse is all about modern, sporty design with all the bells and whistles you'd expect. Meanwhile, the Tributo theme pays homage to the classic 33. Either way, you're getting a cabin that's a blend of high-end materials like Alcantara, aluminum, leather, and carbon fiber. Plus, check this out. A 3D telescope instrument panel, a buttonless steering wheel, and wraparound seats inspired by the original 33 Stradale. It's like they've taken a page from the future and blended it with the past. Now I know you're wondering about the price. Alfa Romeo hasn't officially spilled the beans on that, and honestly they might never do so. But the rumors are swirling, and it's rumored to start at around 1.5 million euros. That's roughly $1.62 million in case you were wondering. But let's be real, folks. If you were lucky enough to get your hands on one of these, you're not too worried about the price tag, are you? So there you have it, the 2024 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale. A limited masterpiece that combines the best of the past and the future. They're all spoken for, but just knowing that this beast exists is enough to get any car enthusiast's heart racing. It's a true work of automotive art, and I can't wait to see it tear up the streets and leave everyone in awe. This is Emmanuel Artis, signing off with a big salute to Alfa Romeo. But before you go, I kindly request that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications for updates on new videos. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. Your support means a lot to us. And hey, don't forget to give our videos a thumbs up. It really helps us reach a wider audience. Your support is truly appreciated, and we're super excited to have you join us in our next video. From all of us at Facts and Tips, we say thank you.